We're farming about 4,000 acres. It's between wife and I and our son and daughter. They have some of their own ground. We have ours. We farm everything together. And we have an ag service business and a grain elevator business as well. Middle 80s, actually worked in town for a while, plus farming, and got out of the livestock at that point. And we've been always farming. Then about 10, 12 years ago, came back to the farm full time. The same time you were getting out of college, and then when the daughter got out of college, she came back to the farm as well. So the three of us have been farming together since. So,
one, being able to take care of the land. What crop practices, not working too wet. Ideal time, learn that patience is a pretty big part of it. You can rush if you want, but sometimes all you do is go backwards. Patience is a big thing. That's probably some of the biggest things I learned. Treat others like you want to be treated. If you treat everybody fairly, in a win-win situation, you'll go a lot farther in life.